Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video will be showing you how you can apply Trickster Voice Effect to your audio in CapCut. Alright, let's get to it. Here I have imported my video to CapCut and I have imported my audio as well. And we're going to apply a Trickster Voice Effect to this audio. So the first thing we should do is click on the audio like this and just click on the audio again. And you can click on voice effect right here guys to apply the Trickster Voice Effect. Oh, I'm sorry. Just tap on voice effect, and then click on funny option right here, and we can scroll all the way to the right until we find Trickster Effect, and it's right here guys. Just tap on Trickster.
Now this video will be showing you how you can animate your text in CapCut. Let's get started.
Right, just tap on the check mark and let's see the result.
Now this video will be showing you how you can animate your text in CapCut. Let's get started.
Alright guys, and that's how we can apply Trickster Voice Effect to our audio in CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.